a delicious shrimp filling is prepared. Pasta dough is kneaded together with some food coloring and then it's rolled out thin. It's cut into oval shapes and the shrimp stuffing is added and then it's covered with another oval. It's then shaped into a ear. A simple pasta sauce is prepared and the ears are cooked in boiling water and then nestled on top of the sauce or blood.
Happy Halloween! Today on Cravings Food Adventures, I'm going to be making ravEARoli. I saw this online a few days ago and I thought it was such an incredible idea that I decided to replicate it. Today, I'm going to be making these ear-shaped pasta and I'm going to be floating it on some pasta sauce, aka blood. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking.
Let's start with 200 grams of shrimp. I will finely mince this with a knife. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of finely minced onion, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander, and I'm going to mix this well and keep it aside. To make the pasta, I'm going to sift 2 cups of 00 flour. 00 flour is very light and it's perfect for making pasta. However, if you can't find it, you can use all-purpose flour. I'm going to make a well in the center and I'm going to add in 3 whole eggs. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Because I want to make this the color of skin, I will add a little bit of brown and yellow food coloring. You can add any food coloring that you like. Mix this in and knead it well together to form a smooth dough. Now I'm just going to cover this and leave it aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you're rolling pasta dough in the machine, it cannot be sticky, so make sure to add more dusting flour if it starts to get sticky. I will be using my KitchenAid attachment to roll the dough, but you can also use a manual pasta machine or you could just roll this out by hand. Using the widest setting, I will start to roll the dough. Brush it with flour and roll again. Now I will keep switching the settings, dusting in between so the pasta gets thinner and thinner. When it's a few millimeters thin, I will use an old Easter oval cookie cutter to cut out the shapes. Using a spoon, I will add a little bit of filling to one side, almost in a line. Dampen the edges with some egg white, and I'm going to cover this with another oval. Now I'm gently going to push on the filling, keeping it together to keep the shape. You want a nice curved shape. Fold it together on the opposite end. I'm going to keep going, remembering to make both sides of the ears by switching the side of the filling. To make the sauce, I'm going to add some oil and whatever shrimp filling is left over, if it is left over. I'm going to allow this to cook. And then I'm going to add in 880 ml of tomato sauce. I'm going to spice this with some of my Spice of Life hot sauce and I'm going to keep it aside. To cook the pasta, I'm going to add salt and olive oil to water and I'm going to bring it to the boil. Depending on the thickness of the pasta and the temperature of the water, cook this for about 10 minutes. is the first time I'm making this. If I were to make it again, I would roll the pasta a little bit thinner. Once cooked, just serve it on top of the bloody sauce. This is a great and creepy way to celebrate Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings and Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for ravioli. I know it's not easy to make ravioli. It's also really hard to tape it. But if you take these tips and tricks, you can make this for Halloween and spook everybody out. If you love my videos, guys, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you share my videos with your family and friends. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy Halloween. Bye.